Hey guys, Crypto Chris here, and if you've never felt the pain of someone continuously stamping on your balls over and over and over again, at least today you can say, I sort of know what that pain feels like, thanks to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the two things we will be talking about in this discussion today. Okay, let's dive in. So Bitcoin, what the hell's going on? Now, you're going to have to excuse my charts. They are messy, and some people say messy charts, messy mind. I say empty charts, empty mind. Take that. Come at me, bro. Anyway, you will have to excuse the charts because they are messy because I haven't changed them for years now. I just keep adding to them. But if you can see this little squig here, this is the breakout we really didn't want. It's maintained this area here for the moment. It's not looking good, guys. We're still going to be going down, I think. This is basically the institutions wanting to get in at a good price. That's all this is. I know you hear all the FUD about Russia central bank wanting to ban crypto mining and blah 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 blah. Yeah, so they've wanted to do that for ages. China have done that. What the fuck does it matter? Good. Means more for us. I'm glad. Please, Russia, please go against crypto. Because if you do, it means there's more for us. Thank you. So no, I'm not concerned about FUD like that. And look, crypto's here to stay now. It's established. That doesn't mean every single crypto token out there is going to be around forever. It's certainly not. But things like the blockchain, Bitcoin is pretty, well, look at the market cap. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Yes, we are now in a bearish market. We're in a downtrend. But we will. They're going to want to get a good price. I think they'll want to push towards about 30,000 area to get in at a really good price, because if you've been following DAOs or anything with small market caps and low liquidity, you'll see how mini whales operate. Well, just take that and put it on a much bigger scale where you've got billionaires and trillionaires that can pump and dump the markets. It's the same principle. They're moving and they're scaring people into selling. And yeah, if you're investing, why would you sell now? I mean, it's entirely up to you what you do with your money. Obviously, this is not financial advice. But if you're in this for a long-term investment, don't worry about it. Hold it for another 5 years. You'll be happy you did. But yeah, I can see them trying to push this lower. And then if we break this, we've got a support at 2,400-ish. And then after that, we're going to 20,000-ish. I don't think we'll get there. I do think, you never know, we might maintain this. We might. I don't think we will. I think we've got further falling. Maybe to 30, 36, 34 maybe. But I do think they're going to be wanting to test this area, the 30,000. Listen guys, it is what it is. It's the markets. Let it do what it do. It has to come down to go back up. It just is what it is. Don't panic. Don't sell if you don't need to. Everyone's circumstances are different. So if you need to sell, obviously do that. But if you can just forget about this money, don't. Or do forget about it. Just this is a small blip in what's to come. I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, it's unreal. And then let's have a look at Ethereum. So this is my target here. If we zoom in a bit, you'll probably see I did mark this out, and it's pretty much got there, but it's just moved over to here. So my timing was a bit out, but I did think it would get down to about here. I still think Ethereum's got further falling. I want Ethereum to hold this. I want it to hold this trend line. If it holds this support here, I think a turnaround could be happy. But again, We need to break this resistance here. The same with Bitcoin. We need to break the resistance. Before you can become bullish again, you need to break these resistances. Because the trend is your friend until the bend at the end. And do we have a bend at the end of this trend? Oh no sirree, we do not. So, we remain bearish on it. Same with Ethereum. Till it breaks it, we remain bearish. And you've got to take emotion out of the markets. This is fact. Use your eyes. They're not lying to you. It's going down at the moment. As soon as that breaks, that's the bend at the end. Then we can get a bit more, ooh, let's see where this goes. And we follow that up until it breaks and then goes back down again. You just keep the same cycle going and going. Again, I've got my support and resistance targets all the way, and for most of the time it hits them or very close to it. Listen, the markets in general are on a dump. I personally think it's the institutions wanting to get in at better prices. That's what you do. If you have enough influence in the market, of course you're going to try and manipulate it to get it down so you can get in at a better price. Why the hell would you want to pay more than you need to? You scare the markets, you get all the people selling because they're now scared. And the cycle continues. Like, how many times have we seen this in the crypto world? I'm not panicking at all. I don't think you should be either. It just is going down at the moment. That's it. It will go back up. Don't panic your little pants quite yet. Anyway, that was my little rant and my thoughts. Again, I still think we got further falling. I'd certainly like to see Ethereum bounce here and break this bastard right here. If we can do that, a bit more bullish, but at the moment, definitely bearish. Especially with Bitcoin, not great. Busted through this trend. It's literally just busted through all of these supports. Dinked this one. Hopefully it will carry on up now, break this trend. I don't think it will. I think we got further falling. I think we're going to about here, 30,000-ish. And that's where I really do want to see a bounce. If we don't have a big bounce off of that level, and I mean, if we break that, oh, it's gonna, even more ball kicking is going to ensue. I promise you that. But anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for all your likes and your subscribes. It really does help my channel to grow. And I shall see you on the next one. Bye.